guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here today with another video which I feel definitely helps a lot of people today, and that is choosing the right shade for pigmented lipstick. Now I know a lot of us like nude shades a lot, but we are very scared to try on like shades because nude shades can actually wash us out completely. So if you don't choose the right shade, then it doesn't look good at all, right? We have all been there. We have all tried like nude shades which did not really work for us and just wasted our money. It happened to me. I'm pretty sure it should have happened to you as well. So today I am here to show you a few options for lipsticks which will work really good for Indian skin tones. And I personally have pigmented lips, and if you are also someone who has pigmented lips and are very skeptical to try out nude lipsticks, then I hope this video is really going to help you guys. So if you're new here, hi, my name is Binicia. Thank you so much for tuning in, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click on the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. Now without any further more rambling, let's just jump into the video and begin it. The first lipstick that I have today is from Nykaa, and this is the So Creamy Matte Creamy Lipstick, and it is in the shade Deja Nude. Like such a beautiful brown tone, and it is going to suit all Indian skin tones perfectly. It's a very beautiful nude. So if you're someone who hasn't tried a lot of brown lipsticks and you want to try something very new, and it is also on the affordable range, then this is the perfect choice for you. This retails for 325 rupees, but you get it in 240 or 250 in that range when you get it in offer. So do try it out and you're definitely going to love it. This is a creamy matte lipstick, so it's more creamy and it settles matte after a period of time. So it's very comfortable to wear, but you might have to retouch it once in a while. But other than that, such a comfortable nude lipstick, and it's perfect for everyday wear. The second lipstick that I have is kind of a bright orangey nude lipstick, and if you're comfortable with like bright orange lipsticks in the warm tone range, but it's not like orange, but it will still look more in the brownish orange range. And this one is from the Revlon Color Burst lipstick range, and in the shade Chili Orange. So this retails for 273 rupees right now in Nykaa because they have an offer. The actual price is 390 rupees, but now there's a 30% off going on, and you get it for 273 rupees. The formula is quite matte and it settles really matte on your lips. So if you're a fan of very matte lipsticks, then this will work perfectly for you. It is a little bit creamy, but it sets down completely matte. So again, it is long lasting and really good for a really long day. The third lipstick that we have is from L'Oreal, and it is from the Color Riche lipstick range, and this is in the shade Made in Paris. Such a beautiful pinky nude, and like the pinky nude type which will not wash you out at all but will still brighten your face. This is that kind of nude pink lipstick. So if you see like MAC nude lipstick ranges, then you will very similarly find a lot of similar shades of this one, and it's so comfortable. It's very creamy on your lips, and it's not gonna dry out. So I personally love creamy lipsticks, but in case you love creamy lipsticks, then you should try. I really have chapped lips, and this creamy lipstick range helped me a lot, and I try to stay away from matte as much as possible. The only problem is that you have to reapply a lipstick once in a while, and that is pretty okay for me. So very good creamy formula that is going to last the entire day and perfect for every day. The next lipstick that I have is from L'Oreal, and it is again the liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade I Lead. Like this is one lipstick which has like consistency which is like of water. It is not thick at all. It literally feels like you applying water on your lips. The doe foot applicator also glides really beautifully on your lips, and this is such a very lightweight formula, and it's absolutely comfortable on your lips. So the shade is also really pretty. Like it doesn't like give you like a brown lipstick vibe or very new lipstick vibe. It's somewhere in between and gives you that perfect shade of that look which you want to carry throughout the day. Absolutely love this shade, and you should try it if you have kind of similar skin tone like me, or even like lighter skin tones. It works really well. But if you are a little bit darker, this also works really well if you take a dark nude lip liner, which I'll be talking about in the end of the video. And if you just outline your lips and then use this, it's gonna look super gorgeous on your lips. The next option that I have is from RareBeauty, and this is the matte lip cream range from RareBeauty. So this is the shade Fearless. In the packaging it looks very brown, right? But this is not that brown when you apply it. It's the perfect My Lips but better shade, and the formula is like velvet matte. So it just sits on your lips as if you have nothing on. The shade is like so perfect for me. Even though I have pigmented lips, this settles like, you know, I have nothing on my lips, and a perfect no makeup look will be perfectly completed if I apply this lip shade. So this is a very new collection in my vanity, and I'm been really loving it, especially for the shade and how comfortable the velvet matte formula is on my lips. The next lipstick that I have here with me is from Revlon, and it is the Revlon Super Lustrous Matte Lipstick in the shade Shameless. So internet was raving about this product as this is the dupe for Charlotte Tilbury's a Pillow Talk Medium. Like, this is like a perfect pinky cool tone brown for my skin type, I believe, and it looks so beautiful. And if you're a fan of, like, you know, matte lipsticks, which is more of the brown tone and it's not like very too bright, and if you're looking for an option where, you know, you wanted to get the Pillow Talk Medium from Charlotte Tilbury and you find it very expensive, then do try this. This is so beautiful, very comfortable on the lips, and yeah, this is also like a velvet matte finish on your lips, so it's not like really matte and doesn't dry out your lips that much. So yeah, beautiful shade, and it's great if you want to wear any kind of outfits, and it's also a cool brown, and yeah, I really feel you'll love it once you try it. The next lipstick that I have here with me is from Estee Lauder. So this is the Pure Color NB lipstick in the shade Discreet. So this is the cream lipstick range. They have a matte lipstick range as well in the same, and I pretty much love the packaging. Like, look how premium and luxury the package looks like. So this also comes with a magnetic click, and yeah, the package is like beautiful. It's like 10 on 10 obviously, but this is an expensive product, and I must mention that. So the lipstick is like really creamy and hydrating on the lips, and the shade is also very neutral. It's very lustrous on my lips, and it's just like, you know, I haven't applied anything and just applied a lip balm. Like, that kind of shade is what this lipstick gives me. Like, I used to use this lipstick so much. Like, if I have a matte lipstick and, you know, I want to like change the formula, this is what I would reach for. I'll just apply this over the matte lipstick, and it makes the formula so much easier and, you know, comfortable for, you know, the entire day. Absolutely love the formula and love the shade. So I know it's expensive. If you want, you can just skip it, but this is one of my favorites which I really wanted to mention. The next beautiful shade that I have today is from Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color, and this is in the shade Exhibitionist. So this is a beautiful liquid lipstick which is absolutely comfortable on your lips. Like, the perfect liquid lipsticks that is going to be like super comfortable on your lips. So far I have tried is from Revlon, and this is how the packaging looks like. It's so comfortable on your lips, and it does not dry like matte, but it's kind of like a creamy matte which dries on your lips, and the fragrance of this one is so nice. It's like a very beautiful fruity fragrance, and yeah, love this. I've always been a fan of Revlon liquid lipstick from college, and this is like probably the most comfortable lipstick I would have ever worn, and highly recommend it in case you're someone who really loves creamy lipsticks which are like more comfortable on your lips. The next lipstick that I have today is from Kat Von D, and this is their Everlasting liquid lipstick in the shade Lolita 2. Like, this was a very famous product in the internet back then, and I tried it. It looks really good. Stays for a full how do I say, like a full night or a full day, because it's like a lip tattoo. Like, it's so strong, sticks to your lips like really hard, and sometimes I really feel I need a gloss or, you know, a balm to kind of, you know, make it a little bit comfortable on my lips, but it stays for a very long time in case you're looking for something which lasts the entire day. So I mixed a little bit of my lip liner on top and the bottom a little bit to make the lipstick more appealing. So yeah, that's about the shade. It's like a beautiful warm corally brown on your lips, and it looks absolutely stunning with all your outfits. Last but not least, I was not a fan of glosses until having this product, and this is the Fenty Gloss Bomb Cream, and this is in the shade Fenty Glow, and the shade is like so beautiful, so like, you know, very mild on your lips, and you know, even if you have pigmented lips, this little bit of color in this gloss will make your lips look really beautiful and really like juicy and nice, and so comfortable to wear throughout the day. And you might have to apply it once in every 3 hours or so, but it's so nice. It elevates the look to another level. You can even use this for applying it with some other lipsticks. In case you're wearing a matte lipstick, you can just take this lip gloss and slightly apply it in the center to make the lipstick really popping. And yeah, so comfortable, so beautiful to even use it on their own, and yeah, absolutely love it. So this is what I'm wearing right now. So I've used the Wet n Wild lip liner in the shade Chestnut, and I've applied this gloss. So always have something like this, like a dark brown shade to use with all your nude lipsticks, because this will actually elevate the look to another level. You just have to draw a liner out and then just fill in with whatever lipstick you want to, and your lip is going to look really, really beautiful. Lipsticks will get elevated once you use a lip liner. That's it for today. Those are all the 12 different options which I wanted to share with you guys, which are my absolute favorite. Do let me know in the comments in case you have something favorite and that worked really well for you, or that I should try. Don't forget to mention what is your favorite shade out of these 12 that I discussed today. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.